Measuring ID grooves can be kind of a pain as it turns out, at least when you don't have the right tool. Today, we'll look at these Haas ID Groove Calipers that make checking these easy. Regular calipers and most of the other common measuring tools lying around the shop aren't good at reaching into a bore like this to check the actual diameter of these important surfaces. These grooves typically locate O-rings and other kinds of seals and therefore are usually must-check features. A great way to measure this kind of internal feature is an ID groove caliper like these here. We've just added these to the lineup on HaasTooling.com, and we have both a 6 and 8-inch version of these tools. These offer a very cost-effective method for checking ID grooves if you don't need micrometer level accuracy. These digital calipers will give accuracies of plus or minus 1.5 thou. And with the main jaws, you can fit inside of a minimum diameter around 600 thou, while the smaller jaws on top will get you down to about 400 thou minimum diameter. On this larger bore part, we've got 2 O-ring grooves on each end. For each of these, I'll simply open the calipers until I see that the jaw edges are clearly in the groove. Then, like any ID measurement, I'll extend to engage that inside diameter and shift the tool slightly side to side to make sure the jaws are fully extended. Quick and accurate. These larger jaws are 2.5 millimeters or about 110 thou wide, so they fit easily in these grooves here. The jaw width on the smaller jaws on top is 1.5 millimeters or about 70 thou. You can also see that both sets of jaws come to a sharp edge at the tip, so you're assured of extending fully to pick up the full diameter of the groove accurately. The tool has the usual set of buttons: power on and off, the units button to cycle between decimal, inch, and metric, and then we have this 0 and origin button to zero the readout at any point in the range. Like the other quality calipers we're selling, these are made from stainless steel and will provide years of dependable service. You can find these inside groove calipers now at HaasTooling.com, along with an entire range of professional grade metrology equipment. Thanks for watching.